How's it going, everybody? This is Beat the Bush. This is the Medline aluminum walker with a built-in seat. Each handle has a large palm area so you can rest your entire weight on top of it. Brace yourself on it up to 250 pounds, turn it around, and have a seat anywhere that you want. The backrest has a pretty thick piece of foam. It allows you to lean back on it. This is removable. Just press down on this and pull it up. Same on the other side. So you can save a little bit of weight if you don't use this backrest. The seat has a 1-inch thick foam material. If you open it up, the storage space is roughly 11 inches by 8 inches by 7 inches. Remember to remove these tags when you get it so it won't get in the way. The brake mechanism is on both sides. It pushes a piece of metal onto the wheel to stop. The brake works much like a bicycle. You can tighten it up with this nut here or here. You can hang small light items on this little hook here. Just make sure it's not so heavy that it prevents you from squeezing the brake. When you want to fold it up, you can use this string here, pull up on this metal bracket, and now you can close the entire thing. To keep it folded, you can use this string, twist it around, bring it around this knob, and pull it over this other knob here. Now, if you wiggle it, it won't unfold. To expand it again, you just push it down on the floor, push down the seat, and you're ready to go. The seat is about 20 inches from the floor. The height of the seat is not adjustable. You can change the height of the handles by removing the knob. There's a little plastic piece here and the screw. Then you can pull up on this thing, and there is 6 positions for height adjustments. When you attach it, make sure the brake line is on the outside so it doesn't get tangled. From normal wear and tear, you can see a little bit of aluminum peeking through, and it's about 4 pounds lighter than the steel frame version. Put in the bolt, align it. On the other side, make sure the curvature of this plastic piece hugs the plastic piece of the frame, and then we can put on the nut. Tighten it. The height of the handle can go as high as 35 inches, and the lowest is about 30.5 inches. If you are interested in this product, check out my Amazon affiliate link down in the video description below. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.